Hey guys, good morning and welcome in Hezen. Today, day one of the workshops in Alab Studios. Join us for today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors. Okay, so we spent the night here in our RV and today we're gonna do an A to Z. That means a workshop where I show lighting setups, retouching tips and answer a lot of questions. Our model for today, Nadine. So join us inside Alab Studios. It's an awesome studio, but you're gonna see that in a moment. Hey, Anouk, I think the first attendees are already here. And it's still an hour before the workshop. They must be really looking forward to it. So am I. It's gonna be an awesome 2 days. Yes, 2 days by the way. Tomorrow we're gonna do smaller workshops with interaction. So today the students can't shoot and tomorrow they can. So we're gonna do 2 workshops tomorrow. One in the morning, one in the afternoon. That's more interactive. And then we have a different model. As I said, it's a very, very small walk. So let's go inside the studio and I'm gonna show you what they have. So we're now in front and of course our banner is here. So let's open up. It's a really cool studio. We already were yesterday. So we have this part where everybody can get their coffee. Hey, that's the owner. And here we have a huge wide room. So that's going to be really interesting. Because of course normally I shoot against darker backdrops. But I also love white backdrops of course. And then we can setting up everything with the tether tools and the tether block. Really like that. So we've got a huge monitor here. And here we can house all the students for today, but that's not all. And of course they have some storage over there, but let's go up because they can really see something cool. So we have makeup, printing and restrooms. And from here you have a beautiful view down, but of course there's a lot more. So we have printer, workstation, cutting table and another workstation, and if you want prints, you got them as big as you want. But of course there's more. The makeup room, 2 mirrors, 2 seats, and the dresses for tomorrow, and a lot of accessories. Because you never know when you're gonna need that boxing gear, right? Okay, well, that was the little tour. Let's start the workshop.
Memories are chasing you away from my reality, breaking us into pieces. Once you were my dream. I don't know where we went wrong. You knew the answers all along. It's up to me
asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
That was day one, the A to Z with Nadine, and of course in studio Alab. An awesome studio, great to work with. Really like those bronze color strokes, by the way, really fast. Tomorrow we're gonna do 2 workshops, and that's an interactive workshop, so smaller groups, and they can also shoot themselves. We're now gonna go up and we're gonna actually edit the vlog for you guys, edit some pictures, upload everything, and then I hope that around maybe 12 o'clock we can go to bed. These days are really, really busy, but we love to do it for you guys. So if you want to pay that back, please subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button, because we really like that. And if you really like what we do, check out our Patreon, because then you get a lot of free goodies like backstage images, backstage stuff. You can ask questions. We have like a Q&A. We have a group where you can do, there's so much. Just check it out on Patreon. Guys, see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.